What's up, y'all? Welcome to the Thai Life channel. My name is Min, and today I'm going to show you guys some awesome holiday design for Christmas, y'all. Why? It's because it's December. It's the month that we have to be thankful and really enjoy time with the family and all the shopping experience. But don't get yourself in debt though. But today I'm going to show you this sweater design. This sweater design is fire. Every clients love it. It's super easy. You just have to trust the process. You don't have to be Michelangelo or Picasso. You just need to be you and enjoy what you do and execute every plan through this design. So let's start with the sweater design. The sweater design, it comes in two ways. You can matte out the base or you can gloss the base. And the nude acrylic that I use on this client is Beige by Young Nails. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to make my two dash starting from the cuticle. I draw out my dash and I could do another dash, minimum of 4 dash on the nails. Depends on the length. And you're just going to connect the dot from one dash to the other dash. Don't connect it straight down because that's just going to make a straight line. You connect it sideways. You see that? You connect it sideways. It's really simple. And the paint that I'm using is just literally a gel polished paint. So you guys know how it's gonna work. It's really simple. You don't have to go out and buy some random stuff. You know what I mean? And the blessing part about this tutorial, y'all, is I'm gonna do different design on each finger using the sweater effect. So the pinky, as y'all can see, I just make a little nice slanted for that pinky. The pinky don't need too much because that's the smallest finger. And you do too much, it's gonna cover up the nails. And you don't want that. So here comes the second design of the sweater design, y'all. Like I said, you gotta trust the process. I'm gonna start out with my 2 dash again. That's how simple it is. You start out with 2 dash and you make the dash even, y'all. There's no way you need a dash to be uneven. That makes no sense. So you go on and you do the second dash, but leave a gap. And be realistic about your gap when you start another dash. Don't make it too long. Don't make it too short. Give it a nice gap. You know what I mean? Because you know you're about to get down on this design. And you know you're feeling it when you're doing that on the client's nails. So here comes my 4 dash. I told you, minimum of 4 dash. Depends on the length of the nail. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the same thing that I did on the pinky. I'm just going to go ahead and connect the dot, y'all. Y'all ever play connect the dot when y'all were young? You know that's your favorite when you don't like to read. Every time you turn onto the page and you see those dot connecting with the letters and the numbers, ooh, that's your excited moment because you know you be knocking that thing out. But anyways, once I connect the dot, so this design right here, I'm going to go in with the line, y'all. So here's the thing about my brush. You see how thin my line brush is? Y'all got to get yourself some of those brush right there. And I have to link in my description. Okay? And what you do is you get a thin brush and you use that like a pencil. You know what I mean? But when you are making these lines, y'all got to make sure the line is straight. Y'all got to make sure the line is not thick and too thin. It got to be very evenly, y'all. When y'all doing that. So the best way to get stability when you guys are drawing a line is you see how each time when I draw on her finger, I place my other finger on my other hand for stability, y'all. That is the trick that y'all need to know in any type of process that y'all has to use your hand and y'all got a shaking hand. You know what I mean? So I'm just going to draw the line and on the side, I'm just going to go ahead and just do a couple swish, y'all. At this point right here, you do what makes it fun and easy for you. But again, like I say earlier, you got to trust the process. You know what I mean? So as I'm drawing this line right here, I'm focused, y'all. I did not drink coffee that day. There's no way y'all gonna drink a cup of coffee and y'all got clients doing design like this. Your hand be shaking like you 90 years old. For real. So what you're going to do is y'all just got to do. Sometimes when I do this kind of line, y'all, I don't breathe. My face start turning green to purple. And next thing you know, I remind myself, oh, I need to take a breath. I'm about to faint on this client. So anyways, you see how I did on that ring finger, y'all? So look, the middle finger, I'm going to do the same thing as the ring finger because it looks right. It looks right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the same thing. You see how easy that line is? But look how I'm holding her hand, y'all. When y'all watching a tutorial videos, don't just look at the paint. Look at how they hold on to the finger. You see how I'm holding on to my client's finger? I have full control of what I want to do with her finger. I can bend it up. I can bend it down. I can bend it left. I can bend it right. It's like you're dancing with the finger when you're holding it. So what you're gonna do is, you see how the other hand is always touching the other finger, y'all? For stability, that's how you get the line to be straight, y'all. But here's the thing though. Does it have to be perfect? Of course it has to be perfect. But the clients are going to appreciate you, the fact that you even take the time to do designs. Because not a lot of salon out there, and trust me, from experience I know, not a lot of salon out there do designs, y'all. They don't. They just want that one color and out. You feel me? So what you're gonna do is, they already appreciate you, so just relax. Don't get nervous and believe in yourself. You're not going to be the one that's gonna say no to certain design after this. Because I'm not just here to show you the sweater design. I'm also here to motivate you, to let you know that if I can do it, you can do it. That's how easy it is, my friend. You see, I don't even have to talk about how I did this sweater design. You look at it, you can tell how simple it is, right? But now, you just gotta be creative. Like, you can twist the sweater around the other way. You can do it sideways. You can do it the other. You know, there's so many ways to do it. You just gotta be creative when it comes to this process. But like what I say, it's a process because you just gotta follow step 1, draw the line down. Step 2, connect the line. Step 3, draw 2 straight line down. Step 4, you make some dash on the side. You know what I'm saying? It's not that hard, okay? Y'all smart. Y'all look at this and y'all be like, oh, I can do that. And I know you can. So with this one, the same thing, but I'm going to add a little twist to this one, y'all. I'm going to connect 2 dots together to see how it looks like. Why? Because after I did that 3 finger, my clients be like, ooh, I love what I see. They in cloud 9, y'all. And when they in cloud 9, they are feeling themselves. They don't care what you do next to the nails. Because like I say, now a lot of nail tech out there will do that for them. And if you're able to do that, it's called money, honey. You know what I mean? Nail is all about the design, y'all. I try to tell people that, the shop that I work at, I tell people like, you gotta do the design to make more money, because they be charging $35 for a set. You don't make a lot, because what if you only do like 3 people? That's only what? Not even close to $100. You know? But what I'm trying to tell y'all is that y'all just gotta have confidence, be one of those nail tech that just really, really always keep up to date to the trend. Because at the end of the day, y'all, all this design is all repetitive. Y'all won't do this during the winter time, but y'all gonna do a lot of this during the December month. You know what I mean? That's why I want to make this video for y'all, so that y'all can get with the program. So you see how the index finger, I kind of connected together? Look, that's how easy it is. So this thumb right here, I'm just going to do the same thing as the pinky. So it kind of just flow. Like when y'all do a design, y'all see some people, they be putting too much. They be putting like teddy bear, butterfly, you know, some gummy worms. I mean, come on, y'all. Like, y'all kidding with me? I know y'all trying to be all bougie and everything, but that ain't bougie, okay? That's just covering up all your beautiful work of the acrylic. And you know, with me, I don't want to cover up the acrylic because I spend a lot of time making the acrylic right. But even if you add the design on it, you still got to look at the shape. You still got to look at the foundation. And now you end it with the design. You feel me? But anyways, y'all, I just hope you guys enjoy what I say so far. I really, just want to do my best, share my experience with y'all. Give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel, because all I do is, make people laugh about the nail industry and really educate each other and share the same information that we need to all know. Because I want all you guys to grow. You know what I mean? I do. So after I draw out all of the design on her nail, I'm going to go in with the white powders called XX White by Young Nail. And I'm going to get a tip and I'm going to just drizzle the powder onto the design, y'all. Yes. And remember, the base is already gloss. So now we're going to try to make that transition where the design is matte. It's not gloss, but the base is still gloss, y'all. This is why I say from the beginning, you got to trust the process. Because this is not hard, but the process makes the design pop. You know what I mean? So I drizzle all of that, right? Come on, we're about to finish it up. Okay, and you do not cure the design before you drizzle this. You got to drizzle the powder. If you want a different color, you do a different color on this design. It don't have to be white, okay? Trust me, it don't have to be white. Be creative. And then after I do that, I cure it, right? I'm going to put it, under the light for like 1 minute. That's 60 seconds for y'all. And after that, you just have to like brush it, y'all. Get a brush, okay? Get a brush and brush it off. And man, that is the wow factor right there, y'all. Y'all don't understand. When the clients see that brush, all the dust come off, and they see that design where it's shiny on the bottom, matte on top. Look at that, y'all. She is feeling it, you know what I mean? But that's how you do it, and I know y'all can do it, y'all. I wish y'all enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up. I appreciate it. Stay tuned for my next videos, y'all, because I'm going to make y'all know everything about this and be successful. You guys have a good night. Take care. Happy holiday to you and your family.